Hey, safety managers and owners. I want to let you know what happens when you send a driver over to us for a DOT physical. The first thing we're going to do is send a link to their phone via text or email so they can fill out their medical history questionnaire. This is going to ask about their demographics and about their health history. There's 32 questions that they have to answer about their health. Things like surgeries, the medications they are taking, things like hearing or vision problems, any history of seizures, diabetes, basically going through all the systems of the body. Then we are going to review the driver's history and exactly what they wrote down. And if there's any concerns, we will dig deeper and ask more specific questions and examine the area more thoroughly. Most of the time, we just need medical clearance from their treating physician, or we just need to run a simple test to keep them on the road. We want to make sure they are safe to drive and reduce any risk for the driver and the public. After receiving the health history, we're going to do the examination. This is going to include checking their height, weight, and blood pressure, their vision and hearing. Then we are going to check the range of motion and power of their spine, hands, arms, legs, and feet. We will check their eyes, ears, and throat. Then we will palpate their abdomen and check for any hernias as well. We will listen to their heart and lungs, do a kidney punch, and then we will check their reflexes and their mental status as well as sensation and strength. Lastly, we do a urinalysis. This is not a drug test, it's part of the DOT physical, which is going to check for blood, protein, or sugar in the urine to see if there's any kidney issues or hidden diabetes as well as possible infections. Then at the end of the exam, if all goes well, the driver will receive their medical card signifying they are safe to drive and good to go. I hope this helps you understand how we process our drivers for DOT physicals. If you have any questions or concerns, please contact us at 708-574-4018. I hope we can be of service to you and your drivers, and thank you for listening.